Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we show you how to turn off comment on TikTok video. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Sometimes the best part about TikTok is the comment section, and other times it's a cesspool of trolls for when you're faced with the letter. Thankfully, there's a very simple way to turn comment off on a TikTok video. How to do it very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our TikTok. So now, if you want to turn off comment for specific video on your TikTok, so you can just open your TikTok. You can choose on the video that you want to turn off the comment. For the example, you want to turn off the comment for this video. For example, you can open the video. Now you can just select on the three dots over here on the video. You can slide until you find there is an option privacy settings. You can choose if you want to turn off, you can just disable this toggle for allow comments. So now no one can comment on this video. If you open on the comment section, you'll find you turn off comment. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off the comment section on your specific video on TikTok. And if you want to turn on the comment, you can just allow comment. So now anyone on this TikTok on the video, they can comment on your video on TikTok. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off comment on TikTok video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.